Radha saves the royal treasure.
Good morning, Grandma. Grandma, where is Chinu? Did you see him?
Good morning, Minu. Chinu has gone inside to bring the snakes and ladders game. He wants to play the game now.
Oh, that's good. I will also play the game with him, Grandma.
Even I will play the game, Grandma.
Oh yes, we will all play together.
Oh, Chinu, what happened? Why are you looking so sad?
I am not able to find the dice. Looks like we have lost them. How will we play snakes and ladders without the dice?
Oh no, Chinu. What will we do now? We don't even have extra dice at home.
Don't worry, children. I'm going to the market tomorrow. I will buy a new set of dice for you then. Now, children, will you do me a small favor?
Sure, Grandma. What do you want us to do?
Look there. Can you see the broken wooden toy? Will you take it to the carpenter and get it fixed?
Sure, Grandma. We'll go right away. Come on, Chinu. Buzz, let's go.
Good morning, Uncle. We have a small problem. Can you please fix this toy for us?
Good morning, children. No problem. Keep it here. I will fix it just now.
Chinu, Minu, look here. Look at this wooden piece. It looks like a die that we use for playing.
Yes, Buzz. It really looks like a die. But it is much bigger in size than a die. Carpenter uncle, can you please cut 2 small wooden pieces into cubes of 1 centimeter each? We will make dice with them and use them to play our snakes and ladders game.
A cube measuring 1 centimeter? I know what a centimeter is. But Chinu, what is this cube?
Look here, Uncle. Look at this wooden piece carefully. It has 6 sides. And all the 6 sides are square in shape. Therefore, the length, breadth, and height of all these squares are the same. This type of object is called a cube.
Oh, now I know what a cube is, Chinu. So, you want a cube measuring 1 centimeter on all sides? Chinu, can you get that wooden piece to me?
Sure, Uncle. Here, take it.
Okay, look here now. The height of this wooden piece is 1 centimeter. I will cut pieces of cubes measuring 1 centimeter from this and give them to you. Tell me, how many cubes of 1 centimeter do you want now?
Uncle, we need only 2 cubes for the dice. But I think we can make lots of cubes measuring 1 centimeter with this wooden piece. Uncle, I think that 100 cubes of 1 centimeter each together will take in as much space as this wooden piece.
Chinu, you are wrong. We cannot make so many cubes out of this wooden piece.
Buzz, stop buzzing in my ears. Let us ask our painter uncle only. Uncle, how many cubes of 1 centimeter each can be made out of this wooden piece?
Chinu, let me measure it with a measuring tape and tell the correct answer. Look here. This piece is 10 centimeters long. Therefore, according to the length, we can cut 10 cubes of 1 centimeter each. And the breadth of this piece is 8 centimeters. So, according to the breadth, we can cut 8 cubes of 1 centimeter each. Therefore, together it is 10 into 8 equal to 80 centimeter cubes. So, Chinu, it means we can cut 80 cubes of 1 centimeter each from this wooden piece.
Uncle, can you please cut them and show it to us?
Okay, let me cut the cubes now. Children, you can play so many other games also with these small cubes.
Yes, Uncle. We can make different types of platforms with this. We can keep these ones behind the other in a long line and make it like a train also.
Oh yes, Meenu. Now take these cubes. You can play whatever you want with these.
Thank you, Uncle. Chinu, come. Let us now try and arrange these cubes in one long line. Look here. I have kept them in a line now. Can you tell me as to how long this line is?
I can tell this, Meenu. There are 80 cubes of 1 centimeter each in this line. So, the length of this line is 80 centimeters.
Okay, now let us arrange these cubes in some other way. Look here, like this. We can make a stage or a platform like this also.
Oh, this looks like a small box.
But Buzz, this platform is also as big as the line we made.
As big as that line? No, Chinu, you are wrong. That line looked bigger than this platform.
I am not wrong, Buzz. Anyway, let us measure it and find out. The line had 80 cubes of 1 centimeter each. The length of the line was 80 centimeters and the breadth of the line was 1 centimeter and the height of the line was 1 centimeter. This way the volume of the line is 80 into 1 equal to 80 centimeter cubes. Now let us find out the volume of this platform. The length of the platform is 8 centimeters. The breadth of the platform is 5 centimeters and the height of the platform is 2 centimeters. This way the volume of the platform is 8 into 5 into 2 equals to 80 80 centimeter cubes.
Oh my goodness! The volume of both the platform and the line are 80 centimeter cubes. They are both the same. So, the platform is as big as the line. This is like magic, Chinu. Such a long line is same as this small platform. Oh, Chinu, you were right.
I knew I was right. That's why I always tell you to think before you say anything.
Chinu, these small wooden 1 centimeter cube pieces are so much fun. We can find out the volume of different things with these. Friends, you can also find out the volume of anything. Do you want to find out the volume of your geometry box? Okay, first you take a guess as to how many centimeter cubes your geometry box would be. Then arrange cubes of 1 centimeter on it. Then you can count the number of 1 centimeter cubes that were used to cover the space of your geometry box. You must have got an answer. You can compare this answer with what you guessed before.
Friends, can you take out your eraser, please? You can now check if your eraser is 2 centimeter cubes or not. This way, you can guess the volume of different things first and then check if your answer is right.
Meenu, can you now guess what the volume of a matchbox would be?
I think it would be 10 to 12 centimeter cubes, Chinu. You can check the answer also.
Okay, let us check the answer now. Carpenter uncle, do you have an empty matchbox?
Oh, Chinu, look there. There are lots of matchboxes in that corner. My daughter Ravina likes to make platforms with them.
Buzz, will you bring a matchbox from there?
Yes, Meenu. Here, take this.
Let me now measure the length, breadth and the height of this matchbox. that easily. But you have to make a platform first. Right?
Oh yes, come here. Let us first make a platform with the matchboxes. First, I will use 10 matchboxes and make one layer of a stage like this. Then, I will make 3 more layers just like this. Now look here. This is how my matchbox stage with 4 layers looks like. Buzz, can you tell how many matchboxes I have used to make this stage?
Ravina, this is very easy. Your stage has 4 layers. Each layer has 10 matchboxes in it. So, your stage has 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 40 matchboxes.
Buzz, that's really good. Now that you know so much, you can even find out the volume of Ravina's stage.
Yes, Meenu, let me try and do that. Look here. The length of this stage is 20 centimeters. The breadth of this stage is 6 centimeters. The height of this stage is 4 centimeters. So, the volume of this stage is 20 into 6 into 4, which is equal to 480 centimeter cubes.
Buzz, do you know something? We can find out the volume of this stage by another way also.
How is that, Meenu?
I will tell you how. We found out the volume of one matchbox to be 12 centimeter cubes. And this stage has 40 matchboxes in it. This way, the volume of the stage is 40 into 12, which is equal to 480. 480 centimeter cubes.
If we keep all the 480 centimeters find out its volume now. Can you now tell me how many matchboxes will it be equal to? I will try, Ravina. The first layer has 4 lines and there are 4 matchboxes in each line. So there are 4 into 4, which is equal to 16. 16 matchboxes in the first layer. In the second layer, there are 3 lines and there are 3 matchboxes in each line. So it is 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. 9 matchboxes in the second layer. Now the third layer has 2 lines with 2 matchboxes in each line. That is 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. 4 matchboxes in the third layer. And the fourth layer has just 1 matchbox on top. Now I will find out the total number of matchboxes. It is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 30. So the volume of this stage is equal to 30 matchboxes.
Hey Chinu, you're really smart. Chinu, can we now find out the volume of this stage in centimeter cubes also?
Why not, Ravina? It is easy. We found out the volume of 1 matchbox before. It is 12 centimeter cubes, right? So the volume of this stage is 30 times the volume of 1 matchbox, as there are 30 matchboxes in this stage.
Oh, now I know, Chinu. I will find out the volume now. It is 30 into 12, which is equal to 360. So, the volume of this stage is 360 centimeter cubes.
Friends, it is lots of fun finding out the volume. The volume of Ravina's beautiful stage is equal to 30 matchboxes or 360 centimeter cubes. You can also collect empty matchboxes and then make a stage just the way you like it. Then you can find out the volume of that stage.
Oh, Chinu, we totally forgot. We have to get our toy repaired and go back home. Carpenter uncle, were you able to repair our toy?
No, children, it is going to take some more time. Why don't you collect it in the evening? I will repair it and keep it ready by then.
Okay, uncle. We will go home then. Our grandma will be waiting for us. Uncle, can we take these wooden cubes with us?
Oh yes, you can take them with you, Chinu. I don't need them for anything now.
Thank you, uncle. Meenu, come. Let's go home now. Grandma will be waiting for us. Grandma, look here. Look at what we have got. Carpenter uncle gave us all these wooden cubes. Now we can make our dice with these or use these to play other different games as well.
Oh, this is good. But where is the wooden toy? You didn't get it repaired?
Grandma, carpenter uncle is repairing it. He will fix it by evening and we will go and bring it then. Till then, we can play with these cubes.
Yes, sure. But your cubes are really small in size. Look at the cube that I have made. It is really big.
Wow, Grandma! How did you make such a big cube? It is really beautiful. Grandma, Can you please teach us also to make this?
Okay, just listen to me carefully and keep doing the steps just the way I do it. I will also help you do it. Soon your beautiful cube will be ready. Look here. I have cut out 6 square papers. The size of each of them is of 19.5 centimeters. Now, I will tell you what to do and you can do it along with me. First, fold the paper into 4 equal parts. These lines should be formed like this. Now, fold little bit of the top right corner and the bottom left corner just like this. Now, fold the top and bottom edges to meet the center line. Then, fold the right corner. The paper should look like this. Now, fold the other corner in the same way. The paper will look like this now. Now, carefully lift the right corner and slip it under the folded paper. Let me do it. You should do it like this. Now, do the same for the left corner. The paper will now look like this.
Grandma, my paper is ready. Oh, Buzz and Chinu's are also done. So, we have made this out of 4 cut papers now. You, Chinu, Buzz and mine.
That's right, Minu. But we need to do it with 6 pieces of paper. So, let me do it quickly with the remaining 2 papers. Now, we will put all 6 pieces one inside the other to make the cube. Let me do it. Just keep watching. Look, now your beautiful paper cube is ready.
Oh, Grandma, this is like magic. What a beautiful cube we have now. Let me measure the length of its side now. We have a cube of size 7 centimeters. So the length of this cube is 7 centimeters. Its breadth is 7 centimeters. And its height is also 7 centimeters.
Chinu, if we have to make a stage as big as this paper cube, how many centimeter cubes will we need?
To make a stage as big as this cube, we have to make the first layer. For that, we have to make 7 lines of 7 centimeter cubes each. That is 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. So the first layer will need
49
centimeter cubes. This way, to make the whole stage, we will need 7 layers. That is
49
into 7, which is equal to 343. So, to make the stage, we will need 343 centimeter cubes.
Wow, Chinu, you are right. Grandma, when you go to the market tomorrow, will you please get some colored papers for us? We will make big colorful cubes with them.
Oh, yes, sure. I will get it for you. Looking at these cubes, I just remembered a story. Do you want to listen to that story?
Yes, Grandma. We always love to listen to stories. Please tell the story.
Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a king. He had 5,000 pieces of gold in his royal treasury. The size of each piece of gold was 1 centimeter cube. The king had appointed lots of guards to take care of his treasury. All the king's guards, except one, were lazy. Only one guard was honest and did his work well. His name was Buddha. When all the king's guards slept at night, Buddha used to stay awake every night and take care of the treasury. One night, 3 thieves silently came to the treasury to rob the king's gold pieces. They had 3 boxes of different sizes with them. They had planned to fill the boxes with the gold cubes and take them away. They started filling the boxes with the gold cubes. One of the thieves then said,
Friends, let's quickly fill all these boxes with these golden cubes so that we can take away lots of them.
At this moment, Buddha saw the thieves. He started shouting loudly.
Thieves, thieves, thieves! Catch them! Catch, catch! Thieves, thieves, thieves!
Hearing Buddha shout, all the other guards woke up.
Oh, so did the thieves get caught, Grandma?
Oh, no. The thieves just escaped and ran away. But all the gold pieces got saved. The thieves left them back along with the boxes.
Then what happened, Grandma?
When the king got to know of this the next day, he praised Buddha for his brave act and honesty. He asked Buddha,
Buddha, did all my 5,000 gold cube pieces fit into those 3 boxes that the thieves got?
No, Maharaj. Some gold cubes were left over.
Oh, is that so? Then I will gift you all the gold cubes that were left over. But on one condition.
Condition? What condition, Maharaj?
You should tell me the number of gold cubes that were left over, but without counting them.
He had to tell the number of leftover gold cubes, that too without counting. How is that possible, Grandma? Could Buddha do it?
No, Buzz. Buddha could not read or write. He went back home sad. He told everything to his son Shankar. Then Shankar said,
Father, I will go to the king's court with you tomorrow and will tell the number of leftover gold cubes without counting them.
Next day, Shankar went to the court with his father. He saw all the 3 boxes in the court. He measured the length, breadth, and height of all the boxes. He then took a pen and paper and wrote something. Soon he said the number of gold cubes that got left over.
Grandma, how did Shankar do this? How did he tell the number of leftover gold cubes? By measuring the boxes?
I will tell you how. Shankar found out that the length of the first box was 18 centimeters and its breadth was 10 centimeters. That means the thieves would have kept 18 multiplied by 10 is equal to 180. 180 cubes in the first layer. The height of the box was 9 centimeters. So, there were 9 layers of cubes in that box with 180 cubes in each layer. So, the first box had 180 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 1620 gold cubes in it. Then, Shankar measured the second box. Both the length and breadth of the box was 14 centimeters. So the thieves would have kept 14 multiplied by 14 equal to 196. 196 gold cubes in the first layer. The height of the box was 10 centimeters. So there were 10 layers of cubes in that box with 196 cubes in each layer. This way, the second box had 196 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 1960 gold cubes in it. Then, Shankar measured the third box. Its length was 14 centimeters and breadth was 10 centimeters. That means the thieves would have kept 14 multiplied by 10 is equal to 140. 140 gold cubes in the first layer. The height of this box was 9 centimeters. So, there were 9 layers of cubes in that box with 140 cubes in each layer. So, the third box had 140 multiplied by 9 is equal to 1260 gold cubes in it. Now Shankar found out the total number of cubes in all the 3 boxes.
I know, Grandma, how he would have done it. I will tell you now. The first box had 1620 gold cubes. The second box had 1960 gold cubes. And the third box had 1260 gold cubes in it. Let me add all 3 then. 1620 plus 1960 plus 1260, which is equal to 4840. So all the 3 boxes together had 4840 gold cubes.
That's right, Chinu. So Shankar told the king that 160 gold cubes were left over.
How did he know that 160 cubes were left over, Grandma.
I will now tell you how, Buzz. See, all the 3 boxes together had 4,840 gold cubes. The king had 5,000 gold cubes in all in his royal treasury. So, Shankar would have subtracted 4,840 from 5,000. It is 5,000 minus 4,840 is equal to 160. That is 160 gold cubes. This way, 160 gold cubes were left over that were not inside any of the 3 boxes. That is what he told the king.
Grandma, Shankar was really smart. Did the king gift those 160 gold cubes to his father Buddha?
Yes, Chinu. The king gave the gold cubes to Buddha. He also praised Shankar a lot. When Shankar became a little older, the king made him his minister.
What a lovely story, Grandma. Friends, did you also like Buddha's story? Did you see how intelligent Shankar was? You can also play with cubes and find out volumes of different things. It's lots of fun, friends. Friends, can you choose the correct answer? Look at this shape carefully. This is a rectangle, cube, circle, or triangle. Cube. This is a cube. The measure of each of the sides of this cube is 1 centimeter. Can you tell how much space this will occupy? 2 centimeter cubes, 3 centimeter cubes, 6 centimeter cubes, or 1 centimeter cube. One centimeter cube. Length into width, breadth is also called width. Into height is equal to volume. One centimeter cube. The length of this eraser is 2 centimeters and its breadth and height are 1 centimeter each. What will be the volume of this eraser? 4 cube centimeters, 2 cube centimeters, 3 cube centimeters, or 8 cube centimeters. Two cube centimeters, 2 cube centimeters? What will be the volume of a matchbox, the height of which is 1 centimeter, width is 3 centimeters and length is 4 centimeters? 3 cube centimeters, 4 cube centimeters, 8 cube centimeters or 12 cube centimeters? Cube centimeters. Cube centimeters. The height of a geometry box is 1 centimeter. Its length is 15 centimeters and width is 6 centimeters. Can you tell how many 1 centimeter cubes can come in this? 15, 6, 21 or 90. A wooden slab is 1 centimeter high. Its length and width are 10 centimeters each. How many small pieces having volume of 1 cube centimeter each can be cut out of this slab? 10 pieces, 20 pieces, 100 pieces or 21 pieces? 100 pieces, 100 pieces, if 100 wooden pieces having volume of 1 cube centimeter each are kept in a line, how long will that line be? 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters, 1 meter or 100 meters? 1 meter, 1 meter, Chinu made a platform using 10 matchboxes. If the volume of one matchbox is 12 cube centimeters, then what will be the volume of the platform that Chinu made? 10 cube centimeters, 12 cube centimeters, 120 cube centimeters, or 22 cube centimeters. One 120 cube centimeters, 120 cube centimeters. Meenu made a stage whose volume is 200 cube centimeters. The length and width of the stage is 10 centimeters each. What will be the height of the stage? 10 centimeters, 200 centimeters, 20 centimeters, or 2 centimeters. 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 Chinu and Meenu together made a paper cube. The measurement of each of the sides of this cube is 7 centimeters. If you have to make a stage as big as the paper cube, how many 1 centimeter cubes will you need? 242, 202, 343, or 433. Three hundred and 43, 343. Buzz saw a big cube whose length is 14 centimeters. Can you tell how many cubes whose sides measure 7 centimeters each can fit into the cube that Buzz saw? 1, 2, 3, or 8, 8, 'Chinu wants to make a stage using 30 matchboxes. Each of the matchbox is 4 centimeters long, 3 centimeters wide and 1 centimeter high. What will be the total volume of the stage? "30 cube centimeters, 12 cube centimeters, 360 cube centimeters or 36 cube centimeters." "360 cube centimeters, 360 cube centimeters. Chinu wants to make a stage with 3 layers using 30 matchboxes. Each layer will have 10 matchboxes. If the volume of the full stage is 300 cube centimeters, what will be the volume of each of the layer? "10 cube centimeters, 100 cube centimeters, 200 cube centimeters or 300 cube centimeters." "100 cube centimeters, 100 cube centimeters, A stage with 3 layers is made using 30 matchboxes. The number of matchboxes in each layer is the same. If the height of each of the matchbox is 1 centimeter, what will be the total height of the stage? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters. Centimeters, 3 centimeters, Come on, friends, let us help the sweet seller. A sweet seller has one big piece of sweet. The length of the sweet is 30 centimeters. Width is 20 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. How many centimeter cubes of sweet does he have? 60 centimeter cubes? 600 centimeter cubes? 6,000 centimeter cubes? Or 60,000 centimeter cubes? Thousand centimeter cubes. Six 6,000 centimeter cubes. The sweet seller wants to cut this big block of sweet into smaller pieces and sell. Each of the cut pieces is a cube with sides measuring 5 centimeters. How many pieces can the sweet seller cut out of the big block? 12 pieces, 24 pieces, 36 pieces, or 48 pieces? Forty-eight pieces. Forty-eight pieces. If each cube centimeter costs 10 paise, what will the total cost of a cube of sweet whose side measure 5 centimeters each? 50 paise, 10 rupees 50 paise, 12 rupees 50 paise, or 5 rupees 10 paise. ₹12 50 paise, ₹12 50 paise. Chinu bought 3 small cube pieces of halwa whose sides measure 5 centimeters each. Can you tell how many total cube centimeters of halwa did Chinu buy? 15 cube centimeters, 45 cube centimeters, 625 cube centimeters, or 375 cube centimeters. $375 cube centimeters. 375 cube centimeters. Meenu wants to cut a cube which has sides measuring 5 centimeters into smaller cubes with sides measuring 1 centimeter each. How many 1 centimeter cubes can she cut out of the bigger cube? 5, 25, 125 or 625? One hundred and 25, 125, Shall we dig a pit now? A pit that is 2 meters long, 1 meter wide and 60 centimeters deep is to be dug. How many centimeter cubes of mud will come out when such a pit is dug? 1200 centimeter cubes, 12,000 centimeter cubes, 1,20,000 centimeter cubes or 12 lakh centimeter cubes. Lakh centimeter cubes. Lakh centimeter cubes. Two cubic wooden boxes with sides measuring 1 meter each have to be kept inside the pit so that they fit fully like this in the pit. To do this, how much more deep will the pit have to be dug? 20 centimeters, 1 meter, 60 centimeters or 40 centimeters? Forty centimeters, 40 centimeters. What will be the volume of mud that comes out while digging a pit which is 2 meters long, 2 meters wide and 2 meters high? 6 cube meters, 8 cube meters, 10 cube meters or 12 cube meters? 8 cube meters, cube meters. What will be the total cost of digging a lake which is 20 meters long, 15 meters wide and 3 meters deep if the cost of digging 1 cube meter is rupees 500? Rupees 4,500, rupees 9,000, rupees 45,000 or rupees 4,50,000. Rupees 4,50,000. Rupees 4,50,000. The volume of mud that came out of digging a pit is 4,05,000 cube centimeters. The length and width of the pit is 90 centimeters each. What will be the depth of the pit? 90 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters or 100 centimeters? $50 centimeters, 50 centimeters, Come, let us help Buddha. Buddha wants to pack 4,000 centimeter cubes in boxes. He has 3 boxes of different sizes in which he can pack these cubes. Look at the box marked A and tell how many cubes measuring 1 centimeter each can be kept in the first layer. 100, 200, 300 or 400. $200, How many layers of 1 centimeter cubes can be placed in box A? 3, 6, 4 or 5? Six, 6, 'How many 1 centimeter cubes can fit into box A? 1000, 1100, 1200 or 1300? One thousand two hundred, 1200. Look at the box marked B and tell how many cubes measuring 1 centimeter each can be kept in the first layer. 120, 130, 121 or 140. 121, 121. How many layers of 1 centimeter cube can be placed in box B? 5, 10, 15 or 20? 10, 10, 'How many 1 centimeter cubes can fit into box B? 1200, 1210, 110 or 1100? 1210, 1210. Look at the box marked C and tell How many cubes measuring 1 centimeter each can be kept in the first layer? 130, 135, 140 or 150? One hundred and 35, 135. How many layers of 1 centimeter cubes can be placed in box C? 9, 15, 150 or 10? Ten. Ten. How many 1 centimeter cubes can fit into box C? 1250, 1260, 1350 or 1360? One thousand 350, 1350. After filling all 3 boxes, there are some cubes left with Buddha. How many cubes are left with him? 200, 230, 210 or 240? $240. $240.